My name is Gopi. My today topic is order by clause in SQL. There are two types of order by clauses. One is ascending, two is descending. First of all, order by clause is sorting the rows in table. ID, name, salary and bonus. There are syntax of ASC is ascending order is select column name from table name, order by column name, ascending. Another one is descending. Select column name from table name, descend. There are 5 types of order by clauses. Count and max, min and average, sum. To use count, there are total number of salaried persons in table. Suppose we are use salary. Select star from count, select count from table name and max is greater salary from the table. Select salary from table name and minimum is less salary persons in table. From table name and average of salaries. And sum is total sum of the salaries. To achieve the total count of the salaries, to use count, and greater value of the table is max, and minimum number of salaries is there in minimum, to average and sum. If you like this video, please like, subscribe in the SPA Global Solutions.